Brazilian Portuguese has some of the most unique gay slang out of any language because so much of their queer vocabulary comes out of indigenous or West African dialects. Now, on the surface level, many of their terms are similar to Western constructs. Their word urso means bear in the gay archetype sense, and the word caminhoneta for a female truck driver roughly maps onto the concept of a butch lesbian. However, because queer Brazilians also faced active persecution during the military dictatorship of the 1960s through 80s, they additionally came up with a secret language called Pajuba to avoid government detection. This caused them to draw a lot from countercultural linguistic sources. Like the word for wig comes from an indigenous Tupi word for spiderweb, while the word for police comes from a Yoruba word literally meaning one who has a baton. A lot of this was directly influenced by Afro-Brazilian religions like Umbanda and Candomblé. For example, the word kakura for an older gay man comes straight from the name of an older Umbanda spirit, while the word amapo for woman traces to the name of a Yoruba deity. And that isn't a coincidence because most of the Pajuba language evolved through a lens of challenging Western categories of gender, sexuality, and how we think in the first place. By rooting their very language in Black and indigenous culture, the early queer community in Brazil was able to simultaneously build a subversive in-group and distance themselves from the colonial hierarchies being imposed by the dictatorship at the time.